In this video, I will show you how to use Who Can See Your Future Posts setting on Facebook. So log in your Facebook account, then click on this drop down. In this list, select Settings and Privacy Center, Settings, select Facebook. Now here is the option Who Can See Your Future Posts. Click on Edit. Here you can select Public, Friends, Accept. You can select Accept one, and another setting here. Click on More, and you can select Specific Friends or Only Me. So now no anyone can see your future posts. You decide who can see your post each time you create any post. Facebook will use that audience for future post unless you change it. So you can select any settings which is your choice, then close. So thanks for watching, and in this video we can know how to use Who Can See Your Future Post settings on Facebook. Thanks for watching.